Y'all know what today is. Today is Taco Tuesday. What is it, Z? What is it, Miss Courtney? What is it, D? What is it, Sam? What is it? I don't know what's wrong with her, but she won't get me down because it is Taco Tuesday. A little stick on the end.
What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Whip It Up with Jay. And today I have something special for you guys. Today we're gonna be making the ultimate burrito. And I couldn't think of a better name for this burrito other than the
Entanglement
Burrito. I'm talking steak. I'm talking shrimp. I'm talking bacon. This is gonna be so good, and I can't wait for you guys to try this dish out. Today is no other day than Taco Tuesday, so we in the kitchen whipping up burritos. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get this thing rolling. All right, to start our dish, we're gonna be working with the skirt steak here. We're just gonna open this package up and dump it into a bowl, guys. Super easy dish. As I always say, you know, I like to keep it simple and delicious. You can never go wrong with simple and delicious, guys. So I'm gonna take this steak here and I am just gonna toss it in this bowl right quick. All right, to marinate our steak, this is all we're going to need. This is Tony's Steakhouse marinade. You don't need nothing else. You need nothing else. This stuff is so good. What I'm gonna try to do is leave a link in the description so you can find this. I personally purchased this at Publix, which is a supermarket here. I don't know if they have that store where you're at, but that's where I found this. And this is all you're gonna need. So what I'm gonna do is open this up and dump a bunch of that marinade on this steak. Move it around, rub it around, and get that thing nice and coated. Nice and coated. This stuff is so good and adds so much flavor to your dish. All right, so what we're gonna do is cover this in saran wrap just like so, and what we're gonna do is toss this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. You could put it longer, the longer the better, but you want it at a minimum of 30 minutes for this, guys. You want it to marinate and soak up all those flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this on in the fridge, and we're gonna move on to the next step. And as far as the shrimp, we're using a handful of shrimp here. And as far as the seasoning with the shrimp, we're just gonna keep it nice and simple. I'm just gonna toss in about I'll say, I don't know what, a teaspoon, or it's about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of Old Bay seasoning. And I'm gonna crack some fresh black pepper on there. And toss it around a little bit. And we're just gonna put this to the side, guys. And as far as the bacon, I already pre-cooked the bacon. This is about 5 strips of bacon. I cooked it not too crispy, kind of in the middle, and just the way that I like it. And we're just gonna put this to the side. 5 strips, cut them kind of like to a medium size. And like I said, we're just gonna put this to the side when we're ready to assemble our burrito. Really easy to cook bacon. I don't think you guys need to see that. Self-explanatory. Moving on, we will need a pico de gallo. So over here, I have the juice of about half of a lime. We have a small tomato here, half of a jalapeno, and like a quarter of a white onion. And we're just gonna combine these ingredients to one bowl. What I did is just chop them to my liking. You could kind of chop them a little more fine if you like, but we're just gonna put them all in one bowl and mix them around. Can't have a burrito without that pico. Let that that lime juice in there. We're just gonna toss it around. Should have used like a little bit of a bigger bowl to mix this here, but well, we'll make it work, guys. We'll make it work. Look at me, I'm dropping ingredients and stuff. A bigger bowl would be nice, but like I said, we'll make it work. We'll deal with some casualties on the way of mixing this pico together. If you have some cilantro, you can also add some cilantro in there as well. But real easy, you know, tomato, onion, jalapeno, lime juice, mix that together and you got yourself a pico de gallo, and we're gonna just lay this on to the side as well. All right, guys, now that we have all that prep work out the way, our steak has been in the refrigerator marinating for a good amount of time. I think it's ready to go. We have all our stuff prepped, good to go. Let's move on to the next step and get that steak cooking. Let's go. All right, guys, we got our pan to about a medium high, and I'm just gonna add in a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And we are going to add in our steak, guys. Alright, guys, so it's been cooking about 4 minutes on that first side, and I'm just gonna give it a flip so we can get the other side going. And that thing looks good already. We got some caramelization going on. Looks, smells delicious. I wish you guys can get a whiff of this aroma going on right now. It smells so good. All right, so it's been cooking for about, I'll say, another 4 minutes on the other side. And man, look at that caramelization we got going on. That thing looks so good. We're just gonna put this to the side and we're gonna let this rest, all right? All right, time for the shrimp. Same deal here where we wanna add just a little bit of oil and get that pan nice and hot. Same thing about a medium high temperature on the stove. All right, now that our pan is nice and hot, we're gonna start to throw in our shrimp, guys. Alright, it's been cooking for about 3 minutes on the first side. We're just gonna give it a little flip. And you know shrimp cooks really quick, so you don't wanna overcook this shrimp and have it all rubbery. We're gonna get this a nice little flip, and this thing looks so good already. You can see all that color that seasoning is giving these shrimps. It looks so good. All right, now that our shrimp are about fully cooked, we're gonna take them off of the heat and then move on to the next step. All right, guys, it's time to slice into this beautiful steak here. Look how juicy this thing is. Can't wait to try it. Look at those juices flowing. All right, guys, time for the assembly line. I have my flour tortilla. Into that, I'm gonna add some refried beans. I'm just gonna spread it on the tortilla. Next, we're gonna add some of that good old steak. Gonna add a generous amount. We're gonna add our shrimp. We're gonna add that good old bacon. You know I love my bacon. This thing looks amazing. I don't know how I'm gonna close this big old burrito. This thing is stuffed. Last but not least, we're gonna add some of that pico de gallo. And we are gonna make a attempt to fold this monster. Let's do it that way. Nice and tight. And then we're gonna get this on the pan and get this nice and golden brown for you guys. Once again, just a little bit of oil. Got it to about a medium high, and I'm gonna put it with the crease down first. And we're gonna get that nice and golden brown, guys. Alright, it's been browning for about a minute. We're just gonna give it a flip to the other side. Alright, are you guys ready for the moment of truth? We're gonna slice this right down the middle. You hear that crunchiness? It's nice and crispy. Bacon flying everywhere. Look at that. Won't you look at that? I got bacon, shrimp flopping around. This looks so good. So good. Smells good. And I can't wait to try it. I cannot wait to try it. Guys, this looks so good. I don't know if you can see this right now. Let's get that in focus because this thing looks so good. We got our steak, we got our bacon, we got our shrimp, we got that pico de gallo. Added that refried beans on the inside as well. This thing it's perfection. Looks so good. The Entanglement. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. I'm not even lying to you. This thing is so good. It's just so many layers of flavor we have going on right here. I tasted nothing like it. It's heaven on earth. That is so good, guys. Oh my God. I mean, you don't need no hot sauce. You don't need nothing. It's jam-packed with flavors, so good. My goodness. It is amazing. It's good. My God. Oh my God. You guys have to try this. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell so you can be part of the notification gang. Hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and I'll see you guys on the next video.